Let's do a quick recap so we know where we've been. We know that Alpine Cycle wants to expand their shipping to the EU. This is their proposed future state, which we can visualize by toggling the layer on and off. But first, they need to fix the inefficiencies in their existing processes. We brought the team together and realized that most customers were having negative experiences based on how long it took them to get their mountain bike order. So we dug into that process even more. Using data overlay and conditional formatting, we were able to see which parts of the process were affected by inefficiencies. This helped us to see we needed to prioritize digging deeper into the bottleneck of our manufacturing step. Here, we saw that inspection is the bottleneck. Now that we've done our due diligence to identify the root of the problem, it's time for solutioning. We'll gather the team together in Lucidspark to ideate on how this process can be updated to avoid this bottleneck. To do this, we'll go up to our Lucid icon and switch over to Lucidspark. With the Lucid Suite, we can quickly move from our intelligent diagramming platform to our flexible virtual whiteboard, Lucidspark, with a few simple clicks. Now, with our Lucidspark toolkit available, we can use the pen tool, sticky notes, and lots of other features to ideate on potential changes to the process. Let's use the 5 whys template to help the team dig a little deeper about what could be causing the inefficiencies with inspection. Since I'm facilitating, I'll set a timer so that everyone has time to think on their own and make notes on the board. When the time is up, I'll instruct everyone to group the ideas by theme so that we can start identifying commonalities. Then I'll hit Z on my keyboard to switch to the laser pointer, and I'll use it to circle sticky notes and ask questions about specific ideas. Collaborator colors make it easy for me to know who wrote which sticky note, so that I can ask questions directly and facilitate meaningful discussion where everyone is able to contribute simultaneously. When we've narrowed down our potential solutions, I'll start a voting session to get input from every person and to make sure we've reached consensus. We have a few ideas that the team is invested in, so let's use an impact effort matrix visual activity to determine which idea would be the best to tackle first. Looks like the idea of multiple inspection checkpoints is our clear winner because it would help prevent the bottleneck of one big inspection, this means big impact, without as much effort as the other ideas. Before moving into next steps, I'll use another visual activity to evaluate the confidence level the group has in this process change. This way, we can surface any doubts or confusion early on, rather than pushing a change that doesn't have everyone's buy-in. If everyone is above the midline, we'll call that success. Looks like we've got it. Let's take a minute for the folks that are lower on the line to surface their concerns, and then we'll move on to determining next steps. With questions answered and confusion clarified, we need to identify next steps and make sure the tasks are distributed evenly across teams. We don't want to use static spreadsheets to visualize responsibility and status because we need flexibility to move things around as the project evolves. So let's use dynamic matrix to get us organized. First, we'll use Lucid cards to write out all of the tasks that need to happen in order to update the mountain bike manufacturing process. We'll use tags to indicate which team the task applies to, the status of the task, and the person responsible for completing the task. Then we'll lasso all of the cards and select Organize, Dynamic Matrix. Now we want to see how many tasks each team is responsible for so that the work is evenly distributed. We'll use the Dynamic Matrix filter to do this. We'll select Row and filter by Tag, because the tags are based on each team. Then we can also filter the row by person to get even more specific, or by the status of the task as we start completing things. Now we have alignment on our proposed solution and the tasks assigned to make it happen. Now it's your turn to try it out on your own diagram before we shift back into Lucidchart to make changes to the sub-process diagram, and then help Alpine Cycle prepare to present their ideas to company leadership for approval.